So let's do this by clicking on Add. We're going to create a new movie. Click any size you like. I'm going to pick the one I usually use, which is square. Click Empty, and we have our new stage here. Now again, we want to import a flat illustration or a layered illustration from Procreate. It's up to you as well. So let's slide this up, and we're going to just scroll down until you find your drawing and just slide it on over. And just a little note while I slide over Procreate and resize this, make sure you have the sun or something resembling the sun in the picture too, because that's actually what's going to cause our sunlight animation effect. And notice here, because it is so bright, the details of the window is not showing up, but this is no problem. You'll still be able to do exactly what I'm doing. Now let's start zooming in. We're going to click on the playhead and click move, and then move and scale. This little white mark here is called a keyframe. This is where the animation will start. And we want to start zooming in here, and this will have the effect of the camera moving forward. Now let's find where we're going to add the end keyframe. Click Action, Move, and we're going to click Move and Scale. This is where the animation will end. So we're going to zoom in onto the cat, basically. This is going to be our final part of the animation. So just adjust it to where you like it. And I think that's about right. Now let's click on that white keyframe and slide it to the beginning. This should automatically play for you. Notice it started off slowly and it's zooming in a little quicker, and then it's slowing down again. Now for this animation, I don't want it to do that. I want it to have the same movement through the whole animation. So go to the keyframe track underneath the picture, long press, click on Set All Easings, linear, and then drag the keyframe button here all the way to the beginning and press play. Notice the speed is consistent now through the entire animation. Okay, it's looking great. Now this is just the first part of the sunlight animation. This is going to be the illusion of the camera moving forward, and that's when we can actually add the sunlight effect. And let's do that right now. So let's bring the playhead to the beginning of this, and we're going to add a track. And here we're going to add a lens flare, and that's what will create this illusion of the sunlight. And to do that, let's click on the drawing tool, and we're going to select a brush to do this lens flare effect. First, let's choose a color, and I usually like to choose white. Then go to brushes, let's go to luminance, and we're going to pick bokeh lights here. Now for the brush size, let's bring it all the way to the top, and also the opacity as well. Now here we just want to tap this screen and just drag your brush a little bit. It might take a couple of times. As you see, I'm doing this, just seeing what I like, what I don't like, and I do like this one. And it's interesting, you can see that when I have the draw tool selected, we can see the details of the window. So let's go to the track here, and notice it's very small, so we're just going to use 2 fingers to expand it and grab the end of it like this and just drag it just up to the point where you want the lights to not show up. So now I want to make these spots look a little more natural looking. So I want to long press and click blend mode and click add. This will give it more of a bright color to it. Okay, that looks pretty good. So now let's go down to the track and click on the playhead, click move, and move and scale. We're going to do some keyframe animation now. So just go to a point where you think the animation of the lights should stop. So I'm going to just go a little before the end here and click the playhead again, click move, and move and scale. Notice the white ending keyframe. Now let's just drag these bokeh lights and drag it all the way out of the camera's view here. Now quickly swipe the playhead to the beginning and watch it play. And it looks great. Great job. Now let's take a look at it in full screen mode. So 4 fingers and press play. And there you have it. I hope this level up tutorial can help you increase your skills using Procreate Dreams. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you'd like to learn how to animate breathing, like I did for this cat, stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.